Hey everyone, welcome to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we're going to show you how to connect your Samsung TV to Alexa so you can control your TV using voice commands. Whether you want to change channels, adjust volume, or even turn your TV on and off, Alexa integration can make your viewing experience more convenient than ever. Step 1. Check TV compatibility. The first thing you need to do is make sure your Samsung TV is compatible with Alexa. Most Samsung smart TVs manufactured after 2016 should support this feature. To check compatibility, you can visit Samsung's official website or refer to your TV's user manual. Step 2. Set up Alexa device. Next, ensure your Alexa device, such as an Echo speaker or the Alexa app on your smartphone, is set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Samsung TV. This is crucial for seamless communication between Alexa and your TV. Step 3. Enable Samsung TV skill on Alexa. Now, open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the Skills and Games section and search for the Samsung TV skill. Enable this skill and follow the on-screen instructions to link your Samsung account with Alexa. Step 4. Discover Samsung TV on Alexa. Once the skill is enabled, Alexa will automatically search for your Samsung TV on the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure your TV is turned on and connected to Wi-Fi during this process. Alexa will prompt you when it discovers your TV. Step 5. Control your Samsung TV with Alexa. Congratulations! Now that your Samsung TV is connected to Alexa, you can start using voice commands. Here are a few examples of what you can do. Alexa, turn on my TV. Alexa, switch to HDMI 2. Alexa, set volume to 50%. Alexa, mute the TV. Alexa, launch Netflix on my Samsung TV. Conclusion. That's it for today's tutorial on how to connect your Samsung TV to Alexa. With this integration, you can enjoy hands-free control over your TV, making your entertainment setup smarter and more convenient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.